Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to summarize a YouTube video using Perplexity. This is an incredibly useful technique when you want to quickly grasp the key points of a lengthy video without watching the entire thing. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login information ready so you can access all the features Perplexity has to offer. After logging in, you'll see a text field right in the center of the page. This is where you'll interact with Perplexity's AI. Go ahead and type your question here. For example, you could type something like, "Can you summarize this YouTube video?" This sets up the context for what you're about to ask the AI to do. Now, open a new tab in your browser and head over to youtube.com. Browse through and select the specific video you want to summarize. Once you've found it, click on the video to open it, then copy the URL link from the address bar at the top of your browser. This link is what Perplexity will use to access and analyze the video content. Go back to the Perplexity tab and paste that URL directly into the text field where you typed your question earlier. With the link pasted, look for the plus icon near the text field and click on it. From the options that appear, select Deep Search. Keep in mind that Deep Search is a premium feature, so in order to enable this, you'll need to upgrade your account to a paid plan. Since I'm working with a free trial account in this demonstration, I'll show you an alternative method that works perfectly well without needing to upgrade. Instead of using Deep Search, simply click the Submit button to proceed, or you can just hit Enter on your keyboard. However, if you're using a free trial account and want better results, here's what you should do. Go back to the YouTube tab where your video is playing. Scroll down below the video player until you see the description section. Click on More to expand the full description. Now look for an option that says Show Transcript and click on it. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen displaying the entire transcript of the video. This transcript contains all the spoken words from the video in text format. Select all of this text and copy it. This gives you the raw content that Perplexity can analyze without needing the premium deep search feature. Next, open a new tab and go back to perplexity.ai. In the text field at the center of the page, paste the entire transcript you just copied from YouTube. After pasting the transcript, type your question again, something like, "Can you summarize this YouTube video?" Once you've done that, press Enter or click the Submit button to proceed. Perplexity will now process the transcript and generate a comprehensive summary of the video's content, highlighting the main points and key takeaways. And that's it. You've successfully summarized a YouTube video using Perplexity, even with a free account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.